English Literature. In Focus Reader. Class 7. All answers. Thus, Gordon. B1. A. Rai Sahib, the Zamindar, was inflicting injustice on the poor tenants even though he had recently spoken to Hori about kindness and fair treatment. B. Rai Sahib had ordered that no farmer could till his land until he had paid whatever rent he owed the Zamindar. The farmers, however, would not be able to pay the money if they were not allowed to plant their crops. The farmers had no other way to pay the money. C. Hori was surprised by this behavior because the Zamindar had never been so harsh before. Only the other day, he had spoken about kindness and fair treatment, and he was now being unjust towards the farmers who had no money to pay him. Though A. Hori said these words to Jinguri Singh, the wealthiest money lender in the village, when he went to borrow money in order to pay rent for the land. B. Hori had once tried his hand at money lending and this was the reason for the rumor that he had some money hidden somewhere. Jinguri Singh felt that Hori had some money left. But Hori explained that if he did have any hidden money, he would not have come to a money lender to borrow money, not blow Gieto. C. Jinguri Singh was willing to help Hori because he saw this as an opportunity to own Hori's cow. He told Hori that he could have the money by selling the cow to him. Taking a loan would mean getting burdened with stamp duty and paying interest. 3. A. Hori's two daughters said this to Hori when he suggested that they sell the cow to Jinguri Singh, the money lender, and then buy her back later when they had enough money. B. The girls said these words because they were deeply attached to the cow. They told him to get the money from elsewhere. C. Hori felt he was in a fix because the girls were very attached to the cow. He had seen how Rupa would always embrace the cow and feed her before having a morsel herself. C. 8. Dhania was very proud that they had a cow at home and brought up the topic of the cow into every conversation. Though Rai Sahib sent word through his officer that the farmers would not be allowed to plant their kharif crop until they paid up whatever rent they owed him. The farmers themselves had no money, and no one was brave enough to appeal to Rai Sahib. So, they rushed to the various moneylenders to borrow money so that they could pay the zamindar and work in the fields. 3. Hori had already borrowed money from the other moneylenders in the village and he was still in their debt. His self-respect would not allow him to go to them again. So, he had no other option but to go to Jinguri Singh, the wealthiest moneylender in the village. 4. Jinguri Singh suggested to Hori that he sell his new cow to him and take as much money as he wanted. He said it was for Hori's own good, because then there would be no legal formalities. Hori would not have to pay interest too. 5. When Hori suggested to the family that they sell the cow, all hell broke loose. Dhania and the girls were very upset. The girls said that they would not let go of the cow and suggested that Hori get the money from somewhere else. Hori then decided that he would take the cow away at night when the family was sleeping. Dhania told her husband that the cow had come as an answer to their prayers and therefore they could not part with her.